Hey guys, it's Roblox here, and today we're doing another episode of Phantom Forces. And let's join the game. The game just literally started. This probably will be the whole entire recording. Get that guy. That was a pretty good thing. Started out the round with the first hit. Basically, the first guy is dead. I basically got the first kill as a headshot. Oh, booyah! Headshot! 3 headshots, 1 death. Dab on them. Yeah, let's do this, baby. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, leave a like on the video, and turn on post notifications. Okay, get that guy. Oh, Bob Bush killed me again. So I have 2 deaths, 4 kills. Let's make this 40 kills. Or 20 kills at least. But can we have at least 20 likes? Or 5? Let's start off at a really high thing. 2 likes. If you guys enjoy this content, please leave a like. And if you guys want me to do other content in Roblox or any other game, just suggest it and I might try it out. Roblox, I'll probably definitely try it out. If you leave it in the comments, the game and what I should try. And for other games, I might do it. I might recommend it for other people. I might try to get an ad run for people. I might give that person a shout out, whoever suggested it, and I play it. Okay, let's go kill some more people. Come on, ah, yes. Oh. Dang it. Okay, so now I have 5 kills, 5 deaths. I have 5 headshots, though. That's pretty good. Leave a like if you want it. If you guys want to join my game sometime, just follow me and you should be able to join. Yes, got another one. Another one down, and another one down. Another one bites the dust. That other guy killed him. That's not good. You can't be taking my kills, boy. Don't be taking my kills. Oh, headshot! Booyah, baby! Yeah! Oh, come on! Microsoft's door, why are you killing me? Who wants a shout out on ID? Yes. Yes, got me. Oh, come on, Microsoft store kills me again. 10 kills, 7 deaths. Okay, so nobody wants to shout out right now. I just went around asking that. And so, hold on, let me get back in here. No, Bob Bush killed me again. Now I have 9 deaths, 10 kills. I need to get my kills up. Ow. Ugh, I didn't kill him. As I said, if you guys follow me, you should be able to join me. Why is this guy a doodle banger? Okay, let's get back in here. 2V. C. V. V. Ah! I almost just died there. Oh, hold on. Let me reset here. Okay. Let's get back in here. If you guys join me, play games with you. Headshot, booyah. Why are you being a bad doodle banger? Yes, another headshot. Let's demolish these people. Ow, 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 ow. Who's killing me? No! Doodle banger! Shout out to Roblox saying you got a shout out. Congrats. Congratulations. Roblox saying shout out to you. Ow. Whoever's shooting me, please stop shooting me. Ah. Yeah. No! No! Doodle banger! Doodle banger! Doodle banger! Doodle banger! Why, you doodle banger? Ah, come on, you little... Ugh, son of a biscuit. Ugh. If you guys want to play jailbreak, I'm gonna probably do another jailbreak episode after this episode. After I'm done recording this episode, so just go check out my other content and leave a comment. Yes, level 34. Up 370 credits. Dum bum bum bum. No, I died again. I have 14 kills, 15 deaths. That's not good. Let's get our kill range up. Let's let it skyrocket. I might just do 2 more minutes of this round and skip to the next round. Or actually, probably 1 more minute. If I die again, I'm gonna quickly cut. This is probably gonna be a few minutes for me, but a few seconds for you. And you're gonna hear me again when I snap my finger.